Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix for 2025. If you're aiming to improve navigation on your Wix website and want something more stylish and functional than a basic menu, a mega menu is a perfect solution. And today, I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open your site in wixeditor.com. Click on Menu Same Page. And the left sidebar to locate your existing menu. If you don't have one yet, just add a new menu from Add panel. Now to create the drop-down effect, you will want to group your subpage. Drag any page slightly to the right underneath a parent page. This automatically creates a drop-down structure. But for a mega menu fill, we're going to take back a notch. Go back to Add panel and choose Box under Decorative Elements. This box will serve you as a mega drop-down layout. Resize it to cover a wider area and begin adding buttons, text links, or icons inside to represent categories or subpages. Next, use hover interactions to control how and when this box appears. Click on the parent menu item, go to Interactions and set it to show on hover. Then hide the box initially and only show it when the user hovers over the menu item. Style your mega menu by adding images, dividing lines, icons, and controls that match your site's branding. Wix lets you customize this pretty deeply, so get creative. Once done, preview your site and make sure the mega menu drops down smoothly, looks clean, and works properly across different devices, especially on mobile. You can adjust mobile view separately in the mobile editor. And that's it. You've now got a stylish and functional drop-down mega menu on Wix, all ready to guide your visitors with ease. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, leave your question in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more smart website design tutorials just like this. Catch you in next one.